Everybody that I know is on Facebook. People are living on Facebook. People are constantly on Facebook. Like when you wake up in the morning, one of the first things that you do is you're looking at your phone, and you're looking at your Facebook. It's crazy, and that's like that's kind of common for a lot of people. So it's like as soon as they wake up in the morning, they're looking at their phone and they're looking at their Facebook. And that's why Facebook is so important, because there's a lot of people on Facebook. Well, what's the difference between Facebook and YouTube? Well, YouTube is a video-based platform, and Facebook is not a video-based platform. Okay, Facebook is not a video-based platform. They're trying to be a video-based platform. They're trying to compete with YouTube, but they really can't compete with YouTube. Facebook is more of an image-based social media platform, where YouTube is more of a video platform. When people want to search for something, when people want to learn something, people don't go to Facebook for that. So what I'm saying is that Facebook is really not the platform that people are really going to look for our services, right? But our customers are on Facebook because half of the United States, or even 60% or 70% of the United States, has a Facebook account. So it's just your priority. It's your job to get your message in front of those audiences on Facebook. It's your job to do that, and you can do that. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So building your company on Facebook. So here's the number one thing you don't want to do. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. You do not want to put all your eggs in one basket and build your entire platform on Facebook, because Facebook is like rented land. It's like you're renting a home with Facebook. They can turn off your lights anytime they want, right? Because it's their platform. So if you build your platform on their platform and they don't like you for whatever reason, they can shut you down. So all of that work that you put in, building your business page, building up all your friends, building up the likes, building up all of that, and then somebody reports you as spammer, or somebody reports you as a bad actor, and then all of a sudden Facebook flags you and your whole business is over in a night. So don't build your entire business on Facebook. Just use their engine to grow your business. All right, so let's talk about ad accounts. All right, we're gonna be moving a little fast here. Ad accounts, basically every Facebook business page gets an ad account. So if you wanna advertise on Facebook, you gotta have a business page, all right? If you wanna advertise on Facebook, you gotta have a business page. So you gotta have a business page in order to have an ad account. And when you have an ad account, you can run ads in front of your target audience inside of Facebook. So I'm gonna talk to you right now, this is very important, on how to avoid your ad account from getting disabled. Now, say you go through this entire course, you start running ads, you become successful, you're generating leads, and then all of a sudden, your ad account gets disabled. That's your entire Facebook money generator is shut down with a click of a button. And I'm gonna show you the best practices on how to avoid that, okay? The first thing, when you're running your ads on Facebook, do not say the word you. Facebook does not like you to point out someone in an ad. So never say you, never say the word, hey you, would you like to improve your score? Would you like to? Would you like to? Never say the word you, because Facebook does not like that, and they will flag your account, all right? Because they think that you are targeting someone. They think you're pointing someone out. So they have robots that are scanning your ad copy when you submit your ad for review. So never say the word you in a Facebook ad. Calling out your audience. Never call out your audience. Now, what do I mean by that? Calling out your audience. Say, for example, you would say something like, do you have bad credit? Are you suffering for bad credit? Are your scores low? Okay, do you need help? Do you need help getting a loan? That's what I mean by calling out your customer.